What's up, Sales Nation? This is Cole coming at you with some sales hacks to help you be more efficient and effective in your sales life with getting more meetings, closing more deals. Today, I want to show you a way to get more meetings from meaningful prospects and even named accounts by using a site called G2Crowd, especially if you're going after the SaaS industry, like software and services for B2B. This is a great site for it. So one reason for that is you can search for these companies that fit your targets, whether they're your competitors or you're selling to them or their customers. For example, Salesforce, you can see about 2,000 of their customers that have reviewed their software, meaning they use Salesforce. So this is a good trigger to reach out to these people and start a conversation. If you're selling against Salesforce or selling a solution on top of Salesforce, you can do so. So one way you can do this is just to click into that person's profile or their review, see who they are, copy and paste their information, and go find them on LinkedIn. If you want to move a little faster, I'm going to show you a pretty cool trick using a site called Web Scraper. It's actually a Chrome extension. It's just called webscraper.io. And you can download it free on the Chrome store. So I've downloaded it already, and I've written a scraper where you can essentially scrape these reviews and turn them into a nice spreadsheet format so you have a prospect list. So to get to that, what you'll want to do, sorry I jumped the gun here, just right click. Once you've installed Web Scraper, click Inspect, and it'll open up this weird looking thing, and then just click on the tab where it says Web Scraper. Now, what you'll want to do is click on Create a New Sitemap. Now, this may seem a little weird at first, but just follow along and we'll make everything really easy for you. You can name it anything. I'll just call it G2C. We want to copy the URL up there, paste it in, click Create Sitemap. And from here, what we want to do is add a new selector. We'll just call it Card. And then click on Element. Then click on Selector. Actually, you don't need to click that. Use this sticky note down here that I have the text in here. You want to copy and paste this code into this area. Click on Multiple on that checkbox and then Save. Now within here, click in there, and now we want to save their name. So we'll just call this name, we'll call it text, and then copy this code. Paste it in here. Want to make sure we've got the right data. Okay, yep, we're getting their name. Perfect. Click Save. Now we're getting the person's name. What else do we want in this spreadsheet? We want their link to their review. Let's do that. So we'll add that. Click Add New Selector. Review link. Now here we want to select link. And then we'll paste in that code. Let's click on Data Preview to see what we got. All right, we've got their link. Cool. We'll click Save. Now, what else might we want? Well, maybe we want what they dislike about that, so we can sell against them. How about that? So we'll add a new selector. Paste in this code here. Now, if you need to pause it and copy and paste this in, feel free. We'll just call this dislike. Again, we're naming the columns on this spreadsheet now. And then we want text, and then we want to paste that in. Scroll down here, click Save Selector. All right, now we've got the person's name, we've got their review link, we got their dislike. Now here's the magic, okay? So we'll click on Root, and then we'll go over here, click on Data Preview. Now if we scroll here, we've got their name, their review link, and their dislike. Now all we need to do is highlight this, scroll down, and just copy that. And boom, you'll see. Let's just go to Google Drive, make a new spreadsheet. And we'll just paste this right into a new sheet here. And we can literally just paste in all this beautifulness. So here we go, got their dislike, the link to their thing. You can just copy and paste these names right into LinkedIn and prospect them for Salesforce. And another cool thing that I'll show you is what if you want to get to the next page, right? So you just scroll down, click on next page, and then go down here. Once that page loads, click on data preview again. And then we've got the whole slew of the next people. We'll just start by highlighting their name, scroll down, and there we go. Add this to the spreadsheet. And there you go. You've got a nice list of all of G2Crowd's reviews of Salesforce. You can just rename this software Salesforce. Grab and drop that down. There we go. And even if you want to get even more fancy, you can use some cool split commands on the spreadsheets. First name, so we could do first, last, and then use the split command. Press the tab button, grab column A or cell A, and then split it by a space, and then type the word comma and then false. Enter. And now we've got their first name and last name spread into a nice format. Boom. There's some sales hacks. Go enjoy yourself. Go grab some cool stuff off G2Crowd. Another cool thing you can do on G2Crowd is you can follow, let me just close this. You can follow this software and then go over to your notifications, and you can see when people review or post a review of the software. So you can follow new ones, and you can even get emailed when new reviews get shown up on G2Crowd. All right, hope this helps you prospect. Go have fun out there, close some business.